Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate this Sunday the solemnity of the Epiphany of the Lord. The word Epiphany means manifestation. Kamakailan nauso ang salitang manifesting upang ipahayag ang pag-asa sa isang magandang balita o pangyayari. Truly, the Epiphany of the Lord reveals the good news that the Lord is with us and He is born for all of us. In the first reading, Isaiah proclaims, "Rise up in splendor, Jerusalem, your light has come." God reveals Himself as the light. Madilim ang buhay natin kapag wala ang Diyos. Kaya sa Kanyang pagpapakilala ng Kanyang sarili, ang Diyos ay ang liwanag na pupuksa sa dilim ng kasalanan. Isa rin itong pagpapahayag na hindi tayo nag-iisa at hindi tayo pinapabayaan ng Diyos sa mundo ng kadiliman. Saint Paul, in our second reading, reminds us that in Christ we are all co-heirs, members of the same body. This brings the message that we can only be united in the Lord. It is the Lord who unites us all. But more than the truth that God reveals Himself, that He is for all of us, He reveals the truth that we all belong to Him. Sa Kanyang pagpapakilala, ipinahayag ng Diyos na inangkin niya na tayo at magkakaroon lamang ng kabuluhan ang buhay natin sa Kanya. In the Gospel, the Magi represent the nations, the outsiders, the seekers, and they were not part of the old chosen people, but they were docile to the signs of the Lord. They followed the star, endured long journey, and refused to be dictated by the false power of King Herod. In finding the Lord, they were filled with joy. The Epiphany of the Lord brings to mind that true joy can come only with the Lord. It is only the Lord who can satisfy all our longings, hungers, and thirsts in life. Magiging tunay lang tayong masaya kapag kapiling natin ang Diyos. Finally, the Gospel says, the Magi returned home by another way. Encountering the Lord always changes our direction. Our encounters with the Lord make us fall in love with Him. We cannot meet the Lord and remain the same. Brothers and sisters, let us be like the Magi who continually seek the Lord in our lives and become lovers of the Lord by our encounters with Him. Muli, isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.